Hey, you see this? That is the auxiliary jack that got unglued and pushed in, and I read the manual. There was nothing on how to take it out. It said you had to take the motherboard out, but actually I don't think you have to. I think if you just take out just this right speaker, that's it. You can get in there. And that's the piece right there. Just a small little piece, so I just re-glued it in there with some heavy-duty glue. And then I got some double-sided tape and put this thing back together. Bada boom, bada bing. Could have been a lot easier. Alright. Hope this helps.